Hi everyone, welcome to Brain Booster Institute. So, day one question answers. I'm going to discuss some question answers to you. So, many students, many teachers have asked some questions. So, I'm going to answer now. Now, let's see what the question did they ask now. The first question from Chintakindi Mahipal from Narayanpet. I am becoming a Vedic Maths teacher. Yes, you can become a Vedic Maths teacher, Mr. Mahipal. So please stay tuned with us. Please be with us for 7 days. We will guide you and everything. How to become as a Vedic math teacher, full-fledged Vedic math teacher. So just be with us. So Munjam Raj Prakash, so 23 and 10. So please kindly give a proper response, please. And Venkatramana Reddy. And why should I learn Vedic math? So Vedic math is it consists of shortcut techniques. So, and also, if you learn the Vedic maths, you love the mathematics. There are outcomes of the mathematics which I mentioned in the next video. We can see that the day 3 video. I'm going to reveal your doubt. So we covered this question in day 3 video. Please kindly watch the day 3 video. And yes, Sandeep Kumar, Shumshabad. What does Vedic math means and what is meaning of Vedic math? So I already told you these are all the questions I covered in day 3 video, coming videos. So surely you can watch it here. So day 3, please stay with us. Lakshmi J, Bangalore, no question. Thank you very much. And Naveen Kulakarni. Naveen Kulkarni from Sangareddy. Can we have any opportunities to work with you as a Vedic math student after completing the course? Yes. Why not, Mr. Naveen? Surely. So we are going to give opportunity to you also. But the thing is just to stay with us up to the completion of the course and take our guidance. Definitely we'll take your services. And if there are any requirements compulsory, we'll make phone call to you. So, and Pavani Varangal, where will I get video? I'm not able to see. Pavani, just to go through the message which I sent in the WhatsApp group. So clearly I mentioned stepwise messages. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. So please kindly go through it. So please open the application and click on the batch, and there are some options from the top tab. So there are some options, so you can go through the video tab, and there are videos which I posted. Please kindly, I think you got it here. And Subhatra Solai Raja, have I joined in TG course or not? So the question is not clear. Please kindly type proper question to us. And Naveen Kulakarni, can we have any opportunity with you? So that I already answered. And T Gautam, nothing. Thank you. And Ravi Kumar Pulshetti. So kindly type proper question. And M. Raghavendra, I submitted, but name is there in the list. Yes, Mr. Raghavendra, your name is there. So please be active in the group. Please be active in the batch. Please submit assignments in time. So compulsory, you will get certified. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for choosing Brain Booster Institute. And Guga Priya. Guga Priya, after completing the task, we want answer for that. Sure. So those answers. So first 2 videos, I made assignments. So the general questions. So definitely we'll answer it. Don't worry. So and Rohini, can we implement Vedic maths in normal syllabus to teach maths? Rohini, it's a very good question. So can we implement Vedic maths in normal syllabus to teach maths? Vedic math is completely the bunch of shortcut techniques. it's a book of shortcut techniques here. So if you use Vedic Maths in the normal syllabus to teach maths, so for example, as the children are going to write subjective test, which is 5 marks and 4 marks and 3 marks, whereas if you use Vedic Maths in those problems to solve them, so only within 1 second, within one step, you will get the answer. Even 4, 5 steps and 8 steps problem also, within one step, we can solve the problem by using Vedic Maths technique here. So for one step, you can't give 5 marks, isn't it? So that, so it's completely Vedic Maths is to reduce the time to solve the problem. Whereas in not in subjective test, but definitely you can use to solve the problems in objective types of questions here, multiple choice questions and various competitive examinations and various external examinations that children write in their academic year, like Ramanujan test, like AS Rao test, and so like this, they can use this Vedic Maths techniques to solve objective types of questions here. So it's a nice question, Rohini. And again, Rohini asked one more question. Can we use Vedic Maths in normal maths class to teach basic arithmetic concept? Yeah. So that I covered in the previous question. Once you watch it. And Sandra Reddy, can we have any after work with you? Sir, definitely, Naveen. So thanks for responding 3 times. So definitely. So please complete the course with me. So definitely, if there is requirement, compulsory will call you. And Muhammad Akbar Ali, Karnataka. Thanks for creating such group and conducting free classes. Thank you very much, Akbar Ali, support us, and thanks for appreciating this. So, so I need support from you people. So please support me. So definitely, we'll make sure about to become as a Vedic Maths teacher now. Thanks for responding on the day one question answers. If there are any questions, every day I'm going to give one link to you. So the question answer will be answered in those links only. Thank you very much. Your mom and Naresh Reddy. Stay tuned with us.